Artificial intelligence has become one of the most talked about topics in recent years. At the same time, it is also one of the most misunderstood. Between exaggerated promises and unrealistic fears, several myths have emerged that distort the technical understanding of what AI really is. In this video, we will separate fact from fiction. No sensationalism, no alarmism, just technical clarity and grounded explanations. The most common myth is that artificial intelligence thinks like a human. But AI does not think, does not understand, and does not possess consciousness. It operates exclusively through statistical pattern processing. Language models, for example, don't know the real meaning of words. They just calculate probabilities, which word is most likely to come next, based on the massive amounts of text data they were trained on. When an AI appears intelligent, what we are actually seeing is its high correlation capability, fast processing of large volumes of data, and the generation of coherent, but non-conscious responses. There is no intention, there is no understanding, there is only computation. Another misconception is that AI is autonomous and makes decisions on its own. In practice, all AI systems operate within boundaries defined by humans. They depend on the training data they're given, the model architecture designed by engineers, the rules set for their use, and the specific parameters and constraints they must follow. Even the most advanced systems don't decide in a human sense. They execute optimized functions to achieve predefined objectives. If an AI makes a mistake, the issue isn't that it went rogue. It's usually due to poor data, a badly defined objective, or incorrect usage. Then there's the fear that AI will replace all jobs. The reality is more nuanced. AI doesn't eliminate entire professions. It automates specific tasks. Functions that are based on repetition, predictable patterns, and mechanical processes are the ones most likely to be automated. On the other hand, this shift increases the demand for skills like strategic decision-making, supervision and curation of AI outputs, critical thinking, and human-machine integration. So, the real impact is not total job extinction, but a significant reconfiguration of the workforce. A particularly dangerous myth is that AI knows everything and never makes mistakes. In reality, artificial intelligence makes mistakes frequently. It can invent information, a phenomenon known as hallucination, replicate biases present in its training data, and produce responses that sound convincing but are factually incorrect. This happens because AI does not verify facts against a source of truth. It only generates outputs that are statistically plausible. That's why, in any professional context, AI should be treated as an assistant, a support tool, or a productivity accelerator, never as a final authority without human validation and oversight. Understanding what AI truly is isn't about fear or hype. It's about gaining technical clarity. Those who master the core concepts will use the technology better, make fewer mistakes, and ultimately generate more value. Ignoring AI is no longer an option, but using it without understanding the fundamentals is a significant risk. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more content that cuts through the noise.